The aha moment is when we turn stimulation on for the first time, the subject goes, "That's the first time I felt my hand since I lost it."
The Biomedical Engineering Research Program here at Case Western Reserve University is one of the best in the country.
Research that is not just academic or pie in the sky, but research that's being used today by clinicians to actually treat patients.
As well as better diagnosis and detection of disease.
Biomedical engineering at Case has had a number of firsts. The respiratory implant that CWRU had came from Case. In the area of functional electrical stimulation, our work on restoring hand function and walking function is the first done in the world.
We are now in humans recording single neurons or single brain cells to better understand how the activity of those brain cells relate to desired movement.
Implant them into patients and restore the ability, for example, for a patient to grab a cup, to brush their teeth, and really restore the quality of human life.
Using inspiration from nature, we've worked on developing a novel material to create new electrodes for brain implants.
As well as ways that we can reduce the inflammatory response that occurs when you implant something into the brain.
In the world of deep brain stimulation, we're working hand in hand with neurologists and neurosurgeons to customize the technology for Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, essential tremor, and depression.
We produce plant viruses as materials to deliver toxic payloads to cancer cells.
We were one of the first to take an MRI system and move it from a diagnostic tool to one where we were performing image-guided biopsies or image-guided cancer treatment all in real time. The new technology we just created is called magnetic resonance fingerprinting.
And this allows a physician to have a lot more information about the development of a tumor or the response of a tumor to treatment, for instance.
Our interest is on developing big data analytics and computational imaging so that clinicians can better plan treatment strategies for patients on an individualized basis.
We're beginning to move into a few other areas such as metabolism and into biosensors.
I don't think anyone anticipated the pace of discovery and the pace of analysis that we can do today to solve the world's most pressing health problems. Interesting things happen at the boundaries of science, and that's one of the great things about being at Case Western Reserve.